Alhuda Institute offers English language course male-female, diploma English language and Chinese language, primer vocabulary speaking, computer courses, shorthand typing, MS Office, civil engineering, AutoCAD, 3D Studio Max, Primavera, accounting management courses, QUICKBOOks, PEACHTREE and Tally, hotel management, office accounting, affiliated with Skill Development Council and Government of the Punjab. Alhuda, your future start here. Address: Alhuda Shorthand IT Institute, first floor, Noor Plaza, opposite Women University, Chahdi Road, Multan. Visit www.alhudashorthand.com or contact 0300 882 9545 or call 061 2076 206. Alhuda Institute, the name of quality and commitment.